Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Buster game. I will show you how to sign up and how to play the game, okay? And I'm also going to share my personal experience using this app. Disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I am not guarantee any reward or results. Please do your own research before using any app. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be taking you step by step how to use this app as a beginner. As I said before, I'm going to be sharing my personal experience. You too can actually go ahead and do your own research before using this application, okay, because I'm sharing my personal experience using this application. Okay, so this is what you're going to find on this video. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video. You are going to find out how to play this game, how you can withdraw your earning on this app if you earn. Okay, and always note that this is not a get rich quick scheme app, okay, but you can actually earn extra income while doing that. Okay, but always note that I don't guarantee any earning on this app. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. All you need to do is for you to go to Play Store and download this app. Okay, once you download this app, make sure you log in with your Google account. Okay, in case your Google is that frustrating, do not worry, it's actually frustrates me too. As you can see, I'm planning to log in with my Google account and it is not going. Okay, it stopped. Now I'll make sure I keep on trying it, because without you using Google to log in, it's going to disturb you in future. Okay, so I'm trying to know if I can actually log in with my Google and it is not good. I don't know if it's my network, or I don't know if it is from the app, or I'm trying to know if I can log in on this app. Okay, now I noticed that this thing keep on failing. In case you counter it, keep on trying it. I'm going to be using this Google. You see this email? Okay, I'm going to be using, because the Google one is not going, so I'm going to be covering something here because of my security reason. Okay, I don't have to display my email here. Okay, I'm going to choose this email I want to use, and they're going to send me a verification code. Now I'm going to my email to collect the code they sent to me. Okay, so as you can see, I'm trying to know if I can put this particular code they sent to me, and it is not going. Sorry if I'm closing this particular place, because I'm going to be closing my email, okay, for my security purpose. Now you can see that they sent me code, and I'm trying to know if I can put it, and it is not actually. I don't know if the thing is from my phone, sure. It is from my phone, but I'm gonna be requesting another area, another code again. As you can see, resend. Okay, I need to click on it. In case you encounter this particular problem, okay, do not worry, keep on, it will go. Now I need to go ahead and request for another code. Okay, always make sure when you are putting this code, make sure you are very fast, because once it reach 10 minutes, you cannot be able to input it again. You need to generate another one. Imagine generating two code up to two times. Going to say that you have attempted up to three times and they might not send you any code. Now this is how the interface of the app is going to look like. Okay, so as you can see that this app is just like Jingala. Okay, so now you're going to see that they're going to ask you to watch the tutorial, okay, how to play this game. For me, I will encourage you to go ahead and watch this particular tutorial they put on the app, but I don't have chance of watching it now because of this video. Okay, I'm going to make sure I tell you how to play this game step by step. Pay attention on this video, do not skip any part. Now you can see that I'm actually playing this game. All you need to do is for you to make this particular block. You see this block to be on the line. You can see this purple, you see this green, you can see this purple. You need to be putting it in line. Okay, once you keep on putting it in line, you're gonna be getting score. You see this one, it is on 0. As you can see, I score 8. So always make sure you are putting it correct. Okay, okay, if you touch this screen, then you will put it exactly like this, then you will leave it. Okay, always make sure you put it on the right side. Okay, because without you putting on the right side, you will lose the game. Okay, so the game is actually very interesting, and I really love this particular game. Apart from even using it to earn extra income online, apart from it, I love playing this game like without even earning anything. So the game is actually very fun. Okay, so now you can see that I don't even have anywhere I can put this particular one. Okay, this is what you're going to do. You see this right side, you need to click on it. This, I'm going to make sure I point arrow so that you can actually understand what I'm talking about. Okay, if this particular one is not generating what you want, like it is not long like this. You can actually click on it and make it a way that it can actually size this particular block. Now maybe you want to put this particular tool, you see this tray now, you can actually make it, you can actually tap on it so that it can generate the size you want, then you will put it. And this game is actually fun, and there is a way you will put it, you will make it harder to yourself. As you can see, I'm trying to make, if I can actually to complete this line, and it is not going. Now it goes. As you can see, I score um 16. Now as you can see that once you are scoring this particular game, you're going to notice that this thing is moving. You see this bonus is actually moving. Okay, this is what you're going to be earning. Okay, now you can see that this purple now, if you click on it, it's going to be bringing a lot of purple out. And if you know that there is no much purple on the right side, you need to click on the left side for you to click on the purple and put it there, okay, without you making, without even making it more harder for you, because there is a way you will make this game, seriously, you will make it difficult for you to play. Okay, this game is hard, like if you place it in the wrong side, it might be hard for you. Okay, but always make sure you follow this step I'm teaching you now, so that you not made much mistake. But if you make it harder for you, we say, why did faith teach me this? So just make it simple the way you, that is the reason why I tell you that you need to make sure, I will encourage you to watch that tutorial they give you, so that you will not made much mistake. Okay, okay, so now you can see that I have this one, and this, I noticed that there is no way this one will enter, because the way the long it is, there is no way where this is going to enter. So I noticed that it's going to enter this place, and I click on it and it enter. I score 48. Okay, so as I already score 48, I'm looking for where I can put my purple, and I'm not seeing it. So let me just know if I can actually put this purple this side, so that I can complete this particular purple block, then I will score again. Okay, okay, let me know if I can put it there. Put it there. If in case this purple or this left side or this right side is not generating what you want, I will advise you to keep on using the both side. As you can see, I'm started using the both side. Okay, I started using the both. This thing I'm sharing is what I experienced on the platform. If you have been doing it and it is not this way, then you can actually comment on the comment section, let me know. Okay, because we all are learning. Okay, I'm not perfect. Okay, so now this is what I found out on this particular app. Okay, now you can see that this 52 that I have scored it. Now if you keep on putting this block in the right way, and you complete all this block without even making any mistake, you're going to keep on scoring, and you're going to keep on any score. Okay, because more score, more points. Okay, now let me just put this block to complete it, and I think that um it's going to be hard for me at this moment. Now I need to click on it and know people that is actually online. And now they asked me to play another one. Okay, now as you can see, many people are online playing this game, and as you can see how they are playing it, but maybe you don't know how to play this, don't know how to place, like I tell you how to place it. Maybe you didn't understand me. You can actually go ahead and look for people that is online that are playing it, so that you will learn. Okay, so and this is the how my profile look like. As you can see, I have 300k coins, and that 300k coins is not $1. Okay, it's not actually $1, it is 0.6 cents. And if you notice that once you log in on the app, and they're going to reward you that 300k coins, okay, that's what I'm going to reward you. Okay, and it is not up to $1. Okay, for people that might be asking me, the 300 and 300k $1, no, 300k coins is not $1 on this app. 300k is 0.6 cents. As you can see it, once you earn coins, you're going to be seeing the amount of income that you have earned on the coin session. Okay, now let me just click on this 300k coin, that is a 0.6 cent. Then if you click on it, it's going to show up. Okay, anytime you want to check how much coins you have made, you can actually check it here. Okay, if you click on it, it's going to bring you the amount of money you have earned here. Okay, now you can see the load game. Like I said before, I think this app is actually just like jingle app. So if you're on jingle, you understand what I mean. Now you can see that this is how to withdraw. As you can see, my grams, you can see people that is withdrawing here 6 minutes ago. This is the people that they withdraw on this app. Now you can see invite friends to earn to get grams. Okay, you need to go ahead and click on your link and invite people. Okay, if you invite people, you're going to earn reward on this app. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually blind your meat wallet on this app successfully without having any problem. All you need to do is for you to click on that particular gram. Then once you click on it, then you need to, as you can see, welcome to meat wallet. You need to use your Google to log in, or you can use your phone number, anyone you choose you feel like. But now I'm going to be making use of my email. Okay, I'm going to be covering my email here for security reason. Okay, so it's actually what black, but I'm going to make sure I cover everything. Now I'm actually filling my password and my email here. That is the reason why it went black. And now it went black, I'm going to be covering it. Okay, because it might disturb you that is watching this video. Okay, let me just add my password here, because this is my first time creating this account. Okay, so all this thing you see me sharing here is actually my personal experience, how I use this particular app. Okay, so you too can actually go ahead and do your own research as well, okay, before downloading. Okay, so for me, I'm sharing my honest experience on this app. Now you can see that they're going to ask you to save the password. You can save it or you can leave it as well. Okay, so but I would advise you that maybe you can save your password. Note, before you go ahead and submit your password, make sure you write it on the paper, so that maybe if you want to withdraw, they might ask it. Then if you not be able to provide it, you might not be able to withdraw your money. Now it is done, and all you need to do is for you to click on authorize. I'm going to make sure I place arrow on this particular side. Then once you click on authorize, it's going to take you to this place. Now it went totally white. Okay, if it went totally white like this, all you need to do is for come out from this place, they need to refresh and go back to my gram again. Okay, as you can see, that my email have already logged in on my meet wallet. Now if you click on it, it's going to say tell you to basic level, same, verify, fully verify. All you need to do is for you to put your maybe NEPA bill or anything, like any document that you can actually put it for you to have verify your identity. Then as you can see, link withdrawal amount, you can see they have bank account, they have ePay, they have USDT. Okay, this is where you're going to be withdrawing your money from. Okay, this app is available worldwide. Okay, so all you need to do, as you can see, please complete the basic level verification before planning the cash out. Now you need to go ahead and complete all this basic level, put in your correct name and put in your numbers, then put in your gender correctly and put in your email and put in your address. Okay, before proceeding to cash out. Okay, because once you finish all these things, for you to cash out on this platform is going to be more fair for you. Okay, without doing all these things. Okay, once you fill in your information, you need to go ahead and submit information. As you can see, continue filling. Then once you are done with it, then you need to go ahead and submit your information. Okay, that is it. Okay, so if you have been using this app for long or you counter any issue, you can share your experience on the comment section below. Let me know. Or if it is your first time hearing about Boxstar, you can actually go ahead and know if you can actually try it out. Okay, because me, I'm trying it out. That is the reason why I bring it here to share. Okay, if you're interested, you can actually go to Play Store and download Blockbuster. Okay, it's going to show up. It is available on Android. I don't know if it's available on iPhone, but you can actually check it out if it is available on iPhone. Okay, always know that you can actually invite your friends and increase your grams. Okay, you know the grams is the one you're going to be withdrawing, and you can also convert this particular one. That is a minimum amount you will get on this coin, and you will convert it to gram. Okay, so like I said before, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you have experienced anything on this app, you can drop it on the. Let's go to Play Store and know what people are talking about. Blockbuster game. Now you can see the honest review about this app. For me, it is cool, good. Read review, like for the fact that when I go to Play Store, I started seeing all this review. I was so impressed. Okay, that's the reason why I said, okay, let me just try it out. Okay, you know, anything I'm trying it out, this is what I bring on my platform. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next